Good morning everyone. So, welcome sa ating 30 days effective roadmap for passing agricultural licensure examination by Raptiti Edu, incedu.com by Robinson Isacabal, sponsored by Raptiti INC. So, our topic for today is all about yes, stock knowledge is the king. But kulang yan. Kailangan mo ng kanyang queen. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Ah, ang ibig sabihin po nito is, importante yung stock knowledge. But, if kulang ka ng discarding, if kulang ka ng perseverance, kulang ka ng techniques, hindi ka rin papasa. Tingnan mo, ang daming-daming nabagsak during this 2023 exam. Out of 34,000 lang yung 3,400 lang yung pumasa. So, ganun kahirap. So, kailangan natin ng technique. Kaya ginawa ko tong online course na to para matulungan kayo na pumasa. So, as I said, it is important na at least 1 year yung time length niyo sa pagre-review. Nilagay ko to kung 30 days sa pag-review. Tapos, ulitin natin hanggang ma-familiarize natin ang each of question. So, ang queen, ibig sabihin nito is our technique, yun. Sige. Wait lang. May nahihanda akong question po dito, number 51. What do you call the process of division of society into social groups? This term, ano pong tawag nito? Social stratification, social institution, community, cultural grouping. Social institution, community, at cultural grouping is hindi po to tama ang sagot. Review po natin, division of the society. So, into social groups. Social institution, hindi. Institution is for schools, ganun. Hindi. Community ba ang tawag? Hindi rin. Kasi ang isang community or society, ginawa sa social group, hindi siya community. Cultural grouping, hindi rin kasi ang daming factor. Ang definition of term kasi yung question dito, kaya yung tamang sagot dito is social stratification. Okay, next. Social stratification. Number 52, the technique of dividing a large group into a smaller one in which a topic is discussed within a limited period of time. Anong tawag? Buzz session, basket exercise, fishbowl exercise, syndicate method. So, walang term na basket exercise, wala din fishbowl exercise, wala din syndicate method. So, tamang sagot dito is buzz session. The topic is all about population growth. The extensionist tackled it from the perspective of economists, medical doctor, educator, and sociologists, which will be appropriate method. Ano bang appropriate method dito? A. Debate. B. Brainstorming. C. Focus group discussion. D. Panel discussion. Debate, hindi po to debate. So, wala po siyang ginawang debate. Yung sa loobin lang po ng mga extensionist. Yung mga kinuha niya, brainstorming, hindi rin kasi yung idea. Yung brainstorming kasi, any kind of idea is ganun. So, is mga expert to sa isang topic, yung nag-hire siya ng iba't ibang expert. So, ang tawag dito is focus group discussion. Worst practical method strategy to use in creating awareness among farmers about swine flu and avian pest pneumonia. Ano pinaka-worst? A. Radio. C. Meetings. D. Leaflet. D. Home visit. Itong swine flu at saka avian pest pneumonia is dapat kailangan mo physical appearance or something visual. May proof ka na ito kasi yung symptoms ng isang sakit ng swine flu at saka avian fleas. Kaya ang pinaka-worst practical method dito is review. Meetings, kailangan mo ng meet up. Leaflets, magbigay ka ng leaflet materials. Home visit, yung isang technician, pupunta siya sa farms nyo. So, home visit ang tawag niyan. So, ang pinaka-worst practical method dito is review. Who benefited the feedback? Feedback meaning, ikaw yung source, ikaw yung mag-benefits nito. Hindi yung message channel, hindi yung receiver, kundi ikaw source. Learning method, which is predominantly teacher-directed, aim to provide needed information. So, kagaya sa school natin, may isang teacher-directed aim. So, ang tawag nito is lecture, hindi workshop, hindi discussion, hindi brainstorming. Tawag dyan is lecture. What extension approach has assumption that the technology fits the need of the farmer? Small farmer is not available and needs to be generated locally. So, anong tawag nito? So, paki-research na lang po sa project approach, agricultural extension participatory approach, training and visit approach, farming system development approach. So, ang tamang sagot po nito is assumption that technology fit to the farmers is farming system development approach. In this approach, farmer association or cooperative or other stakeholder in the community employees and exercise greater control of extension priorities and activities. Anong tawag naman dito po? Na nag-cooperate yung association, mga cooperatives, na sila yung may greater control sa extension priorities. Ang tawag po nito is participatory agricultural extension. So, nag-participate yung mga association natin, cooperatives, para malagay sa plan or sa development plan. Sa example, ATI, ganun. Sa extension or sa LGUs. Process of facilitating self-directed learning that seek to produce competent people who are able to apply learning under changing conditions. Ano pong tawag nito? This type of question is terminology, pero may twist. So, informal education, pedagogy, non-formal education, adult education. Self-directed learning that seek to produce competent people. Informal, hindi. Non-formal, hindi. And pedagogy. So, ang tamang sagot po dito is adult education. What is or aims of rural development? What is or aims of the rural development? Ensure wider distribution of benefits, promote utilization of technologies, increase access to the benefits, ensure wider distribution of benefits. Ano pong tawag? Ang tawag po nito is, lahat po ng sagot na to is tama. So, the answer is all of the above. So, stop muna tayo dito.